Hey guys, this is me Ishaan, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make $3,000 per month by only selling email traffic, or you can say solo ads traffic. For those of you who are new here, I am a six-figure solo ad agency owner, and I am also a business coach. I help people to build a profitable online business or a side hustle specifically with the email ads. Alright, so many of you might have bought solo ads before, and maybe you might not have a very good results or very good experience with it. I mean, I hear a lot of folks on the internet calling solo ads as scam, but I say your solo ads are as legit as your solo ad provider. So yes, unfortunately, it's true that there are a lot of shady players in the solo ad industry, and the reason behind it is simple. The demand of the web traffic is far more than the supply in the industry, and only a handful of solo ad vendors know the real technique, the methods, and have a solid inner system to deliver a high quality traffic that results into getting good opt-ins and sales. The rest of the market is only selling bot traffic, trying to make couple of dollars, not giving a damn to their customer opt-ins or sale. They only there just to make few couple of $100 $200. So I know not every one of you instantly buy the idea of becoming a solar vendor due to what you have heard or your not so good experience. I get it, totally understand your call. But what if I tell you you can learn all those secrets, tactics, and methods and funnel system that actually a big player of this game are already using? The pattern and the process that makes them successful. You can be among that handful of solar providers who own most of the wealth in this industry in a legit way. And unlike other programs, I'm not gonna give you a very lucrative number like $100,000. No, I am not like that kind of person. I came up with this an average income of 3,000 US dollar per month as an achievable goal after getting results from myself and many of my trainees. In fact, many of them started hitting sales in their first 30 to 90 days of my training. So I'm going to show you some of my chats with you, my students here, and let me tell you these results. And these results are the outcome of their dedication. Okay, yes, our team set up the whole things for them. Like you can see one of my student here, David Forson. Yeah, so I would like to show that David video.
Hey everybody, this is David Fortson, and I just want to send a quick shout out to Ishaan. I just actually got back to work because I went home for a quick training session with Ishaan, and let me tell you, the training was very efficient, it was concise, but most importantly, it was full of value. I was able to get in not just information, but coaching and mentorship that was, again, so valuable. I have enough to keep me extremely busy, even with a full-time job, and still take action in my job. So if I can do it, be encouraged. I know you can do it too. And thanks again to Ishaan for the wonderful training, coaching, and especially mentorship that he's providing me.
Well, thanks to David. He is such an amazing guy. I'm glad to got to train him. We even built a website for him. We set up a whole funnel for him. But you see, I can set up a whole damn business for you. At the end, it's up to you. It all depends on how badly you want success. It depends on if you're ready to take action and implement what you will learn in my training. And you will see all of my people got results because they took action. So yeah, I will tell you straight, all of my training models are for action takers, and that is who exactly this video is for. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how you can make it to this 3K goal for real in just days. And I know many of you might not even have an email list. You might not be thinking how you be supposed to build an email list in 30 days. But don't worry, because in my training, I'm going to teach you the secret process of how you can sell email ads even without building an email list initially. So no tricks, no scam, no bullshit, and nothing that should not be doing. Yeah, okay. Because many people in the beginning ask me if they will need to buy an email list. So let me clear it out. No, you don't have to buy any email list. It's going to be all legal and legit. But before you enroll yourself for my course, I want to show you how this 3K dollar is actually achievable. Because I want to you to invest, although the first model that is solo, because I want you to invest. Although the first model, that is the solo ad business blueprint model, we are giving it free for now because but I value your time and I understand how you are fed up with all those tips and hacks that never actually work for you. So I want you to invest only when you believe that this shit is legal. And I'm not going to give any numbers out of hat just to attract you, okay? So let's take a minimum number. Yes, I'm showing what least you can get with my proven system, and that too in a short span of time. So for the long term, I leave it to you for how far you want to go once you learn the system, because learning is something that you have to do initially. So let's say you get 50 leads a month, and I will tell you like I'm going to teach you exactly where I find the leads and how to target them and how to capture them and then how to build direct connection with them to convert them into your loyal customers. Okay, so I'm going to show you the scaling things in the second model of my program, that is a solo ad lifestyle model. Okay, so all right, now back to the example. So let's suppose you get 50 leads, and on an average like 10 to 15% of them will actually be interested into your offer. And again, this is 10 to 50% is not really a vague number. It is an average number I took from my clients and my students results. So 10 to 15% of 550 means is like you will get 5 to 7 people who will be willing to try your email traffic or a solo ad traffic. Now let's take a number. Let's say you charge $80 for 100% tier 1, and again it's not a random number. I can show you like how other people or my students are actually doing this. So this is David Glass solo ad traffic, and I want you to see his pricing. I think it's in the bottom. Yeah, so here you can see that for 100 clicks, he's charging $89. And I said $80. Okay, so he's charging $9 extra. So many of my clients and students are selling 100% TRM traffic for $80 or even more than that. So if you charge $80 and let's say give a first time discount of 50% so that your client come back to you as a repeat customer. So you will be charging $40 for your first 100 clicks, which is like smallest amount of clicks that your first time buyer might be willing to buy from you. Maybe they can try 200, 300 clicks as well. But as of now, as I said, out of 50 leads, you will be having 5 to 7 sales. So let's assume that you will get 5 sales a day. You may not be agreed to 5 sales a day. So if you do a math, let's just assume that. So if you do a math that you will get like if you do $80 sale or a $40 sale, okay. And now, as I said, out of 50 leads, you will be having 5 to 7 sales. Let's assume that you will get 5 sales a day. So if you do the math, you will get $6,000 a month in revenue, but it's only possible if you are able to make 5 sales a day. And consider yourself very lucky if you get 5 sales a day, because it's too hard for a newbie or someone who is new to this industry. But as I said, I won't be giving you a random number. So we won't talk of lucks. We will only talk facts here. So considering the fact that I will be guiding you through the solo ads market and showing you all the hotspot where you can get the leads and teaching you the process of how to effectively convert them into clients, just like I taught to rest of my students, and based on their results, let's consider a fair number that you can get as a newcomer. Let's say you get 2 sales a day. Okay, so you are charging $40 for 100 clicks. You will be making $2,400 a month in revenue. Yeah, so now getting my point, this means that you will only need 2 to 3 sales to make $3,000 a month, and you can pull that off because I will be here there not just to guide you but to build your business for you and then teach you how to automate it, how to market it, and all in all how to run it. Okay, so you have only to catch like 2 to 3 sales a day, and even if you get a little less, still you will be making profit as your investment won't be bigger than what you actually earn, because you don't have to build an office, hire staff, learn various tech skills to execute this business model. You just need to work dedicatedly and consistently every day and follow my tricks. So if you're ready to do that, I am ready to take you from zero to $3,000 in just 30 to 90 days. So take action today, right here, right now. Go to the link that you see right on the top of the description or maybe in the I button. Enroll for my training now. If you are a complete beginner and have zero knowledge about solo ads, I suggest Solo at Business Blueprint will be a perfect thing for you to start with. So if you think you know the little basics and want to excel, don't and go for a lifestyle model to keep the momentum going. Okay, but if you have any questions about my program, you can actually comment down or join my Facebook group. Its link is in the description box too. So I will be back for more valuable stuff for you, and thank you for your time. Cheers. Bye bye.